It is not often that I have the privilege of welcoming you to the ribbon cutting of a major campus work being open. The building we are in is a storied building. It has taken a lot of effort and years of work to get to this point. And the magic of it is it should look almost like not much has changed in 137 years. Back in 1860s, Clarence Blackall was a founding president of the BAC. His sketches inspired a whole generation of architects of his time. And those include the designer architect of this particular building, Arthur Vinall. So we wanted to make sure when we are restoring this building, we are paying attention to the original vision. I think this is important to note that almost 70 years since it was last seen in somewhat of the kind of a semblance of what it is right now. It's a generational impact and contribution we have made to the city, both through architecture as well as the educational mission that we stand for.